Good afternoon. My name is Aida Chaula. I'm from Tanzania, East Africa. I'm here at Milann Fertility Center studying nursing infertility course for 3 months. So today is my end day. What I can share about Milann, first of all, it's good welcoming and hospitality from Milann staffs. Since day one, we were so happy to meet them. Also, in terms of learning environment, it's very good because here I have been getting knowledge, skills and competencies on how to care people with infertility problems. My knowledge and competencies were through rotating in OPD, injection room, scan room, IVF theater, andrology and embryology laboratory. Also here there's recent technology equipments and supplies which made our learning process to be easy and more understanding. Also, I've been allowed to practice. That makes me better. Also, here at Milann, I've been able to attend online and offline classes whereby I have covered more than 20 lectures about infertility issues. So the course was very nice and it will be very helpful for me to care patients with infertility in my country, Tanzania. Lastly, I want to thank my government, Tanzanian government, especially Minister of Health, for sponsoring me in terms of money and everything, time to be here at Milann Fertility Center, Bangalore. Also, I want to thank Milann management for making my learning journey easy and for making this training programmed as per timetable. And lastly, I want to thank all Milann staffs for good cooperation and teamwork, especially doctors and nurses for teaching me everything when I was asking questions. I want to learn more. They're giving me a lot of time, listening to me, helping me to understand. Thank you so much. Welcome in my country, Tanzania. Thank you.